How to pay Shopee using Qwarta Home Credit. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay Shopee using Qwarta Home Credit. First, on the Shopee homepage, click Load and Bills. After that, tap the Loans icon and select Biller, Home Credit, Dragon Loans, SkyPay, or Cashflow. Then, enter account details and claim a 25% voucher for new digital buyers or a 15% voucher for all users. Now enter payment details and select Shopee Pay as a payment option. Next, click Pay Now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.